In this video we are going to create a custom video course. I have already created this one, but I'm going to add another one now. I'm using my Unlimited Influencersoft Lifetime account here, and that includes unlimited products. So let's get started. Please scroll down and click on Courses. I already have one. This one is live. Here is the link for the Courses website. Currently it looks like this. Now I'm going to click on this button and add a new course. The title will be Funnel Builder Tutorial. The description is Learn how to build your funnel components in 5 minutes or less. Let's click on Create and Configure. Now you should see these items here. So please click on Course Structure. Here we can add lessons and modules. I will change the title to Funnel Builder Tutorial Basics. Click on Save. The changes have been saved, so I can add a lesson. I will call this lesson 1. Now it's created. Let's add a few more. So far I have 6 videos for this course content. I have already created a YouTube channel. This is one of the course videos. Now I can click on Share and copy the link. Let's go back into the lesson. Here is a little symbol for Embed YouTube Video. So let's paste the video URL here. You can set a custom width and a custom height. The responsive option will help you to make it fit to your mobile device. I don't want to show any suggested videos. Here are some privacy options. I don't want to use autoplay, and I would like to show the player controls. So let's click on OK. So let's save that lesson. Let's add another one. This is the second one. So let's copy the link again, edit lesson 2, select YouTube video, paste the URL, change the width and the height, select OK, and click on Save. I need to switch on the lessons, enable the module here. Let's go to the pricing plan. The price will be $10. The page name will be Funnel Builder Tutorial Basics. Let's copy and paste that and make it available for all buyers. That's it. Please click on Save. So far so good. Now let's go back to the courses page. Now you can click on a little green eyeball here. And here is the first course video. It's possible to show or hide the different lessons on the left side. So our basic course setup is working. And in this little video you have learned how to create a basic course, and you have done it yourself in under 5 minutes.